Let's see how to create a database in MySQL. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. All right, to create a database, we'll need to type create database, your database name, then click here. Now click here to refresh, and as we can see, it has been created. To use this database, we can right-click on it and click Set as Default Schema. Or we can also type Use your database name. To drop the database, we write Drop Database, your database name, and click here. If we want to make the database read-only, we type Alter Database. Your database name read-only equals 1. Once we do this, we can only read it. We won't be able to delete it or make changes, and if we try, it won't let us. To disable read-only mode, we write the same command but change the 1 to 0. Alter database. Your database name read-only equals 0. Now it allows us to drop it. To encrypt the database, we write alter database. Your database name, encryption equals Y. Thanks for watching.